Welcome back, guys. Crypto Flight channel. Today we'll like to talk about a BTC targets updates with my customer said, guys. Everything going by plan. It doesn't mean I always pretend to be right. No, a lot of ideas was wrong. But for BTC it was so obvious. The reasons why we can go to correction before the end of the month. One take, we already pump it like crazy. So people need to take a profit. It's normal, it's healthy. Second one, doesn't mean this is the end of cycle. Of course, it can be the end of cycle, but I don't think so. It is because it's just a volatility go down this summer in August maybe also. But I think the top of the top will be around October or November. After that, maybe some deep correction, bounce, spring, and new bear market. Yes, but of course, the United States still not start putting the money, they not start to cut the rates, and everybody waiting once again. So when the United States will start cut the rates, the BTCs could rocket to 200K and higher, because it happened previously. But I guess this cycle will be absolutely different story. Yes, and even when they start cut the rate, BTC will not skyrocket like crazy. So it's just my personal opinion, right? Because this cycle absolutely different, and old pattern. You saw a lot of examples. Old pattern absolutely doesn't work anymore, and it's good. It's good. Why it's good? Because I'm happy. All of this, all the gurus, old experts who just become rich randomly because just no matter what talking you click in 2017, in 2016, 2014. 2020 after the COVID dump, everything pumped like crazy because it's a crypto, because it was just early. But if somebody joined the crypto earlier than you, it doesn't mean he understands the market better than you. So it's the big differences, right? If somebody richer than you, it doesn't mean he understands the market better than you, because a lot of people made millions with meme tokens, and after that they just gamble and out of the market at all, right? And go to zero. That's why, guys, our main goal is to analyze the chart, trade up, down, trade, fix the profit of our investment and move on. Step by step with 1% better than yesterday and move on. So for BTC, a lot of people drawing the, this type of classic triangles like this one, drop, bounce. So we have to break it this triangle, and go higher. After that, they like always, they adjust the lines, and tell, oh, it's a fake out. Now it's most likely based on that logic, it's a fake out, right? So here, one fake out, and this is a drop. Why we drop it? Because I already explained to you, it's end of the month. People fix the profit, institutional fix the profit, and here, this was the weekly gap. So weekly gap, it was a daily gap. Daily this one, so I'm waiting at 1360, 13k is 640, and on the weekly we can drop a little bit lower, like this one. So it can be like 13k 159. So it will be more than okay, So should we drop much lower? I don't think so. A lot of people also draw this type of head and shoulder, like head, shoulder, and we should go higher. Yes, maybe this pattern playing out, but with that head and shoulder or without, I think we will see the 139k 543. So this is my take. So locally, guys, I will be not surprised if the one of this months, I explained to you, one of this months, August or September, should be red. We pump it like 1, 2, 3 months up, a week, 3 weeks up, 2 down, and it's healthy correction. Normal correction. Also 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row we pump it like crazy. So BTC already pumped like in the last 4 months, 65% for BTC. It's more than enough. Is it possible? So this is the end of cycle, like 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, and we should go down to 69k? I don't think so. So locally I'm waiting. Test. Let's even add alert. Test this block a little bit higher. a little bit like this one. I want to see this test. And after that, maybe I will open that position long. So today is a Friday, but on the weekends, I think we can test the 113. Everybody gonna scream and we go into hell. We going down to 100K or so. But I think we just build another range, like impulse. Some maybe even the drop to the full field like 100K. Imagine the panic at 100K. After that, bounce, consolidation, and go higher in, I don't know, September, October. So guys, the main plan to hit this target still relevant. M2, if you compare the M2, the liquidity in the world, right? It's around 170K. Based on that chart. It doesn't mean we have to like follow copy paste the direction of the M2. No. But yes, around I think 139, 100, I don't know, 55, it's possible to see this target. If you believe in 183K, you can wait. Let's double check, guys. So locally, weekly and the daily. So what do we get now? Here is that distribution. We formed divergence. That's why I wish to see, guys, the last divergence, the one and only. So I don't know. It can be the February. I'm not sure. And the divergence here. So you already see this. So we formed the divergence. We need more hype in the news about a BTC to 200K, to 500K, to 1 million this cycle. So we need more of this type of news. This is it, like preparation before the dump. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. Some whales fix a profit. It's more than okay. You saw even the co-founder of XRP fixed a profit. I don't know why do people complain about somebody fix a profit. Why these guys can't fix a profit? You can also fix the profit. Even the co-founder, if you co-founder of XRP, you're here for what? For the money at the end. So it's only your problem if you wait in the XRP to $10. That's it. So this is a fixation, how it playing out before. So take a look. November 74 till February 75. How many days? No, it's percentage. We need the date range. Bum. 84 days. So let's say if we copy and paste this model like 1 week here before the dump, maybe it's going to be the end of September, the new high. Maybe, I don't know. But yes, it will be so great if we form something like this one. It would be just an amazing top of the top. 3 rise pattern, 1, 2, 3. Correction, I don't know, even much lower like this one, 100, and head and shoulder and go down. So this is my plan for BTC. The main question, what will happen with the alts? Hard to say, guys. Many alts pump it like 200%, 300%. Some of them like Pango pump it 1000% gains. And I don't know why do people not fix the profit, or even why do people hop into Pango after 1000% gains? What are people waiting for? 5,000, 10,000% gains? It's craziness. This is totally free on market move. So guys, I don't know why the people still trying to buy the BTC. You can speculate locally. Let me show you once again on a daily. On daily also was so obvious. Here is the top. The warranty drop. We form another, form another divergence. That's why I think it was the top, 123, 236. Drop, now we should drop to 113. Bounce, consolidation, go higher. And form divergence, the last one on the daily also. It was so obvious signal to sell. Yes, of course. People wait the exact signal like sell now. So here, for example, it was a preparation before the sell and selling, drop, bounce, and new low. 120K and 900, it was so obvious to sell. Oh, that's why, guys. Now, wait these targets. Wait these targets. BTC overhyped. Of course, now a lot of indicators showing it's not an end of cycle, and I more than agree with that. So I think a little bit higher, So this was a fixation of the profit by whales. Now no money inflow. So take a look. No money inflow on a daily since April 2025. Weekly, same story. Here's the money outflow. We at the top, but without a money outflow. So let's add the alert to the money power money outflow on the weekly. I wish to see that money outflow. But on a monthly, yes, the whales fix it. Last time when a month whales fix a profit, they fixed 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row. They fix it. Now we got only 1 month. So June, August, September, October, 4 months, and we can hit the top if the history repeat. Take a look on the history here. 1, 2, 3. 3 months was enough for fixation by whales. Here were the 4 months before the dump. This is just the first one. So guys, I recommend you track everything on higher time frames, so you understand the logic. Here was a sell. Let's add alert to the sell. And another one sell. Come on, sell this one. On the monthly, here was also so obvious signal to sell. Daily also sell. So it's not after the fact. So, you could track it everything in real time. That's why I don't know who opened a position in long, for example, at 120K. I have no idea. Let's wait the signal to take profit. Let's add take profit from that sell. No, triangle down, take profit. So I need to see some take profit signal from sell, and maybe new signal to buy. Sell, buy back. No new signal. Let's add alerts also to the buy signal. So all signals, I will show you in Telegram channel, but I will show you when they trigger it. That's why I highly recommend you use this set, and you can track it in real time. Take profit, guys, indicator. I'm still waiting the higher. Here, take profit line on the daily. It's 142. Lines are dynamic. Exit line 160K. Possible to see. Weekly time frame, I wish to retest the exit line above. So it's now 112K 569. I wish to see that test and go higher. I don't think so. We're going to drop now to 99K. That's why I wish to see this test higher and go into the deeper correction. Now the buy line on the weekly is 50K. For the value of this token is 37,400 around this one. So I think, like I explained it before, if this is not an end of cycle, we can't know at the moment. I think we will see something, let's say like this one, after that. So around 47K, 42K can be the bottom for the next cycle, for the next bear market. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about the BTC current moment. Are you in long or short? Do you believe we hold the line now and go straight forward from these current prices, or we go lower? Subscribe channel if you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.